Good day, good day. It's your boy, Mahomet Strike from Ethiopia. So today we are going to learn to calculate letter B. I've just calculated letter A on my previous video. So if you now want to know how do we tackle letter B, which is quite challenging, but if you listen thoroughly, it's easy stuff. So letter B, so when they tell you calculate something, if they give you letters, they say calculate something, you have to know what is that thing. You can't calculate something while you don't know it. You have to know what is that thing. So in our case, letter B is disposals at carrying value. Disposals at carrying value. So anything that has to do with disposals needs a disposal account. That's why I did a disposal account. We disposed vehicles. My disposal account, it's vehicles because we disposed vehicles. We sold. To dispose is to get rid of something from your accounting records. To remove it, you sell it, you remove. I don't want you anymore. You remove like you do with your partner when they start annoying you. I remove you, I dispose you. So you dispose, you remove. So you sold a. Let's read the information carefully, and you must understand the information, know how to deal with the information. So a vehicle was sold on the 1st of December 2023 for 22k cash. So what was the cost price? I assume you know how to record these things. So the cost, you have to know the structure of your asset disposal account. You have to know where does the cost go, where does the accumulation depreciation go, where does this figure go. So the cost here 192 192,000. This is the cost you sold on the 1st of December. Accumulated depreciation is 113,400. 113,400. Our accumulated depreciation on the 1st of March 2023. It's not yet complete. Listen carefully. It is not yet complete. We must calculate the depreciation up to the date of sale. Let's start. We must calculate the depreciation up to the date of sale. When was the date of sale? 1st of December. So it's not up to this date, it is up to this date. So if you can differentiate between the wording, how they tell you what to know, you are done. Okay, we need to calculate the depreciation, accumulated depreciation up to this date, but then we have up to this date, which is the 1st of March 2023. Okay, depreciation on vehicles is 20% on cost method. This is very important, guys. To know the method you are dealing with. We are dealing with the cost price method, the straight line method. We are not dealing with the diminution method. No, you will get zero if you don't listen. Okay, um okay, yes, we need to find the depreciation. So okay, we are done. A new vehicle was purchased on whatever, but we are dealing with letter B. This is important when it comes to other questions. Here we are dealing with letter B, which is disposals at carrying value. You see highlighted, disposals at carrying value. So we need our disposal account. We have recorded our cost, we have recorded our depreciation up to the 1st of March 2023. We need up to Where the date of sale. Yes, we need depreciation up to the date of sale. You get what I'm saying? Okay, let's go. Remember cost price method. Okay. So if you come here, depreciation up to the date of 1 March 2023 is 113. I added it here plus depreciation up to here. So if you count from the 1st of March to, you don't count December, guys. It's the 1st, it's not the 31st, it's the 1st. So don't include something that starts with the 1. No, we don't want the 1st. We want up to November because we didn't, like, it's the 1st, you don't include it. So it will, like, if you count from March to November, you'll get 9 months. 9 months. So if you want to calculate depreciation, you'll say the cost multiply, which is 192,000, multiply by the rate, which is 0.2 or 20%, multiply by 9, divide by 12 months. You will get your answer as let's do it together. As my calculator, as 28,800. 28,800. This is your new, this is your depreciation from the 1st of March to the 31st or 30th of November. Then you add it here, 28,800. Now you have the depreciation up to the date of sale. If you add them, you'll get is equal to 142,200. Then you have the total depreciation up to the date of sale. Remember, now we are done with depreciation. Remember, how do you calculate letter B? You need two things. You need the cost. How do you calculate letter B? What is letter B? Disposals at carrying value. So you need the cost. Write it down. For disposals at carrying value, you need the cost. You need the depreciation up to the date of sale. Write it. Cost and depreciation up to the date of sale. The complete depreciation, accumulated one. Okay, so if you want to calculate letter B, you'll take the cost, which is the 192,000 minus 142,000. You will get letter B. How do you calculate this depreciation? Disposals at carrying value. The cost minus the accumulated depreciation up to the date of sale. You'll get this. So in this case, what is letter B? Letter B is 192, 123 minus 142, 200. Yo, my bad. Doesn't allow me, guys. Doesn't allow me. I don't know. But then you take this one minus this one. You'll get that letter B is equal to, let me do it, minus 192, 123. It's equal to 49,800. I'll explain other letters in the next videos. Thank you.